I'm going to share with you one practical proven method to manifest money every single day in your bank account. Yes, you heard me right. Manifest money every single day. All right, my name is Neha Bhatia. I am an NLP trainer. I help people reprogram their subconscious mind to expand their confidence, self-worth, and their purpose. And today I'm going to help you reprogram your mind to manifest money every single day in your bank account. All right, so hear me out. Before I tell you these two methods, I want you to please like the video, please subscribe to my channel and punch on the bell button so that you can get the regular notifications. That's number one. Number two, I'm going to put some videos which we have done on money in the description box. Please make sure that you watch those videos as well, especially in this lockdown time when people are really becoming very uncertain and very insecure about money. Those videos are going to help you, and those videos are also going to motivate you to go forward in your life and start to earn money again, right? And if there is a loss that has happened in your life of money, if there is some money that is stuck with somebody else and it's not coming back, it will start to come back. Trust me, these are practical proven methods by myself and by my trainees as well, and you can see massive differences in your money position, in your financial position. All right, so hear me out. Number one thing that you got to do when it comes to money, when it comes to manifesting money every single day in your bank account, is stop being jealous of the successful people. The biggest problem that happens whenever a person have this money blockage, or when they start to have this loss in the money, what they feel and what they experience is when they especially start to see people, on the social media and on the other platforms, and they are succeeding, they become absolutely jealous. They start to feel, oh my God, why is he doing so much? Why is she doing so much? Why am I not able to do? You are actually bringing up jealousy. That's another thing. And then there's one more thing that we do is, he doesn't have that much of potential. He doesn't have that much of, let's say, qualities or talents or skills. And look at him, he's earning, but I'm not. So what you're doing here is, my dear friends, you are being absolutely jealous. You are bringing an emotion which is the most poisonous emotion on this planet. When you have this emotion of jealousy, the money will not want to come to you. Listen to me, hear me out, see me clearly. This is you and this is money, okay? So this is you going towards money. But down here, you are just getting distracted by these people who are getting, let's say, successful, right? And the money who wants to come to you, and then they're like, no, let me just change the way, let me go somewhere else, or let me just go to this person because he's the one who's absolutely focused. You are not focused. You're not focused on that. You're focused on the jealousy. You're focused on other people. And today only I read a beautiful quote, losers focus on winners and winners focus on winning. So, my dear friends, it's a wake-up call. Please, it's lockdown time. There is a lot happening in the world right now. I want you to please get yourself together here and remove this jealousy completely out of your system, because it is not going to help you. And another reason why we feel jealous is because most of the times we start to, feel a little insecure about our own selves when things doesn't work. I totally get that. When things doesn't work. I have been into the public speaking business for a very long time, and I was in the complete glam business, I would say. Every time there is a picture being posted, video being posted, and there is a lot of social media engagements, and I used to feel this a little in the initial days of my career, and trust me, it used to make me feel more down about myself. It was a downfall for me. So it's not going to help you. In fact, instead, what you should do is you should celebrate. You should feel, wow, this person is doing so well. Ask yourself a question. What is he doing so differently that I am not doing, because of which he is where he is, right? So this is first thing that you have to do. Number two, which is it's an amazing technique. Today, you're going to have, let's say, a rainfall or some kind of a thunderstorm or some kind of an amazing experience when you do this other method, the second method that I'm sharing with you. The second method is, you have to do it for 5 minutes, okay? It's a 5 minutes process. In the first minute, I just want you to sit comfortably and easily with your own self. It is not a meditation. However, you are meditating on money, okay? However, you are meditating on the wealth that you want in your life. Also the money that has been stuck, the money that that you have lost, whatever it is, or the money that you're trying to achieve but you're not able to, right? So how to get that? Number one, first step, in the first minute you'll be sitting with yourself. Just focus on your body, focus on your breath just for 1 minute and just relax your mind, bring your mind to the center. In the second minute, what you have to do is listen to me very carefully, okay? You can see this wind, that's just blowing. So I want you to sit down, and in the second minute I want you to start feeling that the wind is blowing, and after let's say 30 seconds you'll start to feel that the money is also blowing right on your face. 500 note, $2,000, euros. Start to feel that, and start to feel the texture of the money on your face, on your body, right? So if you want, you can wear it sleeveless, let's say t-shirt or maybe shorts, and just start to feel it in your body. Feel the texture. The biggest problem with us is we don't even want to feel that energy. We just want to use it but not even feel it. At least respect it that it's coming to you, right? So just feel it, feel that presence, right? Because usually whenever we are under stress, or whenever we have had any kind of burdens of a lot of expenses, or if we have lost a lot of money, we feel like a burden, oh my god, there is an expense that that needs to go out, there is something that we need to pay off, or blah blah blah, right? So what is the visual that is coming is money is going out, but here you're welcoming the money. All is happening in the visual sense, right? So hear me out. In the second minute, you're gonna be just feeling the money coming and touching your body. In the third minute, I want you to feel that there is a tap right above your head, let's say 2 feet or 3 feet above, okay? Start to feel that tap, that it gets opened and it starts to flow money from the tap, right? Start to feel that the money is flowing from that tap. Again, 500, 2,000, euros, dollars, whatever you wanna see, and just feel it, that's going, touching your body, and it is surrounding you. So maybe you can feel that you're in a circle. Now, this is a technique that you may be able to do it by yourself. However, if you want to do it with me as a mentor, you can always come in my 21 days NLP workshop, or you can take my money mapping workshop, and the link of which is in the description box. So you can go and check out my website, nlpwithneha.com. We have a number of workshops for people for every kind of situation that you are going through in your life, especially in lockdown, okay? All got to do with the mind, okay? So in the third minute, what you're going to do is, first minute, what did we do? We just relaxed, we just got connected to ourselves. In the second minute, we felt that the money is coming right on us. In the third minute, you can start to feel that there is a tap, it is opening and the money is flowing, right? In the fourth minute, I want you to start to feel that the money has crossed, let's say, your knees and your navel and your chest. Now you're filled up with money. So you want to sit on a chair, you want to sit on a bed, wherever you're comfortable, but just sit and feel that you are completely filled with money, and feel that energy of money, feel that fulfillment, that abundance in you, right? Once you do that, now is the last thing that you have to do, my dear friends. In the fourth minute, start to feel, what are you going to do with this money? Let's say 500 notes, 500 rupees notes, so many notes, what are you going to do with this? Are you just going to pay off your bills? Come on, no. I'm sure you're going to do something big. So 3 ways or 3 parts you have to divide this money into. Number 1, your professional and your financial expenses, but not just expenses. Think as an investment. What are you going to do? What is your purpose? What is the profession that you would like to get into? Or if the profession that you're already in, how you would like to kind of utilize this money, right? This is the first part. Second part that you have to do is, hear me out. Second part is in your personal life and also in your relationships, right? Where would you like to, and even health comes under your personal, okay? So where would you like to use that money, right? And the third is the spiritual cause. Would you like to donate this money somewhere in the NGO or wherever? You can think about it. You want to have your own NGO. You want to do something bigger for the society, for the welfare of the society, maybe for women. So the third part needs to be about contribution, okay? So please understand that this technique can go for, let's say, 5 minutes, 7 minutes as well, even 4 minutes, as in how you feel comfortable. But these are the 5 steps, okay? So first step, sit comfortably, be with yourself, connect with yourself. Second minute, you have to just feel the money coming towards you. Third minute, on the tap, flowing on you. Fourth minute, just start to feel that it's come till here. Till here, you are completely, fulfilled with money, and it's a complete abundance. And the last 5th minute, you have to just feel how you would like to use this money. And in the last few seconds, just feel that you're absolutely abundant. Use maybe an affirmation or a statement that you would like to give to yourself. I am fulfilled with money. I am a money magnet, right? You can give any affirmation that you would like to. Just give one, okay? When you're in that complete strong feeling, and then taking your own time, within a few seconds, coming back in the consciousness, open your eyes. It is a very, very powerful technique, my dear friends. It is a complete law of attraction technique. You'll start to attract the money. Even if you will not attract the money immediately, your mind will start to guide you with the resources that you can manifest money every single day in your bank account. Did you get that? So once again, my dear friends, all the very best for this powerful manifestation. If you like this video, please do share it with other people. If you really like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel. Please punch on the bell button, and also do check the videos in the description box. Happy manifestation of the money, and hey, keep progressing. Lockdown is for opportunities. Let's eliminate the jealousy. Yeah, thank you so much, everybody. Keep progressing. Bye.